Step-by-step process. Voters registration.
Go to COMELEC Satellite Registration near you. Requirement: ID. Photocopy of valid ID. Must have birthday and address. Step 1. Interview. There's a priority lane. Fill up the application form. Step 2. Precinct assignment. Submit the form. Friendly and accommodating. Step 3. Biometrics.
Say cheese.
Last step. Thumbprint and acknowledgement. Receipt. And I'm done. It only takes me 3 to 5 minutes to register. Fast, easy, PWD accessible.
So what are you waiting for? Magparehistro Kana.